Yeah, welcome back. Over here, I'm going to show you how to make your image act like a video, like 2 to 3, like about 3 to 5 seconds video. So you can turn any image to any movable video, all right, using your Canva. So what you need to do is to open up your Canva. I think this is a premium feature, all right? Open up your Canva. So you can just come here and click on your design, customize. But let me just use one of my designs, all right? It's a plain document. I'll just go over to my plain document, all right? So use a plain document if you want to. So once you enter on Canva, you see your plain document like this. Now I'm going to go to camera roll. I'm going to add this image. I'm going to add image. Right now I'm going to drag it from the side. Drag it from the side because I want this image to be frequency. So now I'm not going to edit this particular image. I'm just going to, once I click on the image, I will scroll down. I'll scroll down to image tools. All right, this is the image tools. So click on image tools. All right, you can see there are different tools here. Now I want to click on this particular image to video. All right, you can see image to video. Now it has custom. It says describe your idea motion effects. Okay, describe your idea motion effect. Generate 5 seconds video. So the video has to be 5 seconds. Now over here you can generate how you want this video to look like. Like you can automatically decide how you want a video to look like. All right, but let's just go to start, which is the automatic. All right, so with this one, Canva is going to by itself give us a kind gesture depending on the image. Now Canva is going to create 5 seconds video for us depending on the image. All right, this image looks like a model, so you see what's going to happen. I'll click on generate. All right, so Canva is assessing the image and checking the best idea that it can use to generate that 5 minutes, 5 seconds video for us. And it's trying to check now if you look at this is a beauty model, so everything is about being beautiful, as you can see. All right. So this is how easy it is. All right, so if you want to, you can actually download this video. All right, download it and you can just click on this icon you see right here. You download the video and you can save. You already created your video like that. So you can actually put your image here and you can use your prompt. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use prompt to generate your video. This is automatic prompt that Canva uses based on the image. Hence, she's a beautiful woman, so we try to make it look like a beauty kind of video, 5 seconds video for you. So but by next, I'm going to show you what you can do. You can use your own hand to determine what will happen in that 5 seconds video. So I'll see you in my next class.